Hey guys, welcome back to Yarn Tail Crochet Co. My name is Cynthia. If you're new here, hello, welcome, subscribe. Hey guys, so today's video is a little bit more of a vlog style. I just kind of take you through my day and what I did today. It was a day off, so I got to be creative and make some crochet things. So I started working on a new Amigurumi pattern, and we're just gonna jump right into that. Okay, so I have my head, we have our two little arms. Now I need to make the legs, and I want to see if I can get the legs to like join onto the pumpkin body. So let's see if I can do that. I also think I'm going to be switching to my air conditioner. Yeah, that'll work. So I'm going to take away. So, legs are done. So we're gonna start working on like the pumpkin part of it, but I need to change color so that I can join the legs and it's like the bottom of the pumpkin. So, this is the color that I'm gonna be using. It is Sweet Snuggles Light by Loops and Threads in peach pink. I just like it better than like the bright orange that they had, so I'm gonna use this one for the pumpkin. I think it's cute. Okay, so we're gonna join, but first we're gonna do a color change. Okay. Color changed. And I think I want like a little bit of a gap in between the legs, so that way they're not like squished. So let's do chain 2 maybe. Do a chain 2 and then we're going to join the legs. So now that our feet are attached, I'm gonna have to like start getting rounder again because I want to make a ball. So we're gonna have to include some increases. So I need to math. Okay, 28 stitches. My brain is not mathing today. Still not enough. I feel like I need to draw this out. My brain is just not, it's not mathing today. So yeah, I need to visualize this. I need to see this. Okay, there we go. No, my math was mathing. It's just this wasn't working. Okay, so I need to change this in my pattern. Like I said, I'm used to crocheting with acrylic, so working with plushy yarn is definitely different. Copy. Okay, cool. Next. another round done. As you can see, we're starting to like branch out. We're gonna have like this weird kind of ball in the middle. Not really a ball, but like, you know what I mean. But he's gonna look cute still. So I think we're gonna do maybe like 2 more expanding rows, and then we're gonna start building up. I think. We'll see. We'll see how it looks after the 2. So naturally I got super into making that plushie that I didn't even realize my phone stopped filming. So I finished him. This is Sir Theodore Plumpkin. So his pattern is all typed out. I'm gonna make another one. I have some modifications that I want to do though. I think I want to make his body a little smaller, and I want to figure out something else for the eyes. I don't hate the eyes, but I don't love them. So yeah, we're gonna modify him and then get his pattern ready, and then probably release it soon. I want to get some pattern testers on it though to see how well he works up, but he's just so cute. And then if you look at the back, he got big butt. He got big butt. So I had lunch, and then I worked on some stitch markers that I'm going to be releasing probably shortly after this video is posted. And right now I'm eating ice cream and watching Grace and Frankie. I must say I've actually been quite productive today. Like I finished the Plumpkin pattern, and I finished putting together a bunch of stitch markers. I also finished designing a couple stitch markers that are for a giveaway that is coming up soon. I will let you guys know about that. It's not mine, it's somebody else's. And yeah, like I wrote out the pattern. I don't know, it's been a pretty productive day. And then like later on today I want to work on another market bag and maybe another bandana and maybe the stitch markers. We'll see. Hi guys, so the rest of the day I didn't really do all that much. I kind of did some crocheting, but I forgot to film it. So I'm just going to show you what I ended up making throughout the rest of the day. So I made these 2 little bodies. I'm not going to tell you what they are because it is a surprise, and I will show you guys when these are done and after I have given them to who they are going to. And then I was watching TV for a little bit. I don't know if I showed you, but I did finish Sir Theodore Plumpkin. So yeah, I finished him, this cute little butt. And I also managed to make some daisies. So I made 3 daisies, and I'm going to turn them into keychains, and I'm going to be listing them in my Etsy shop, so keep an eye out for these. And then I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be bringing to my Shopify store in September. So I'm going to be bringing bandanas. So I have this style here, which is super cute. And then I also have this style, which is just like a granny square bandana. So this style is going to be there as well. And then I'm also going to have market bags. So this is one that I finished recently. She's cute. She's a little stretchy. She's not crazy stretchy. So I'm going to make another one that's a little bit more stretchy. And I'm going to be doing them in different colors as well. And with fall in mind and like the cooler temperatures that we're wanting right now, I am also going to start making some of my beanies that I made last winter. And I'm going to do my rose palm hat, and we're going to do a vine hat. And I am super excited because it's been a long time since I've made those, so I will be bringing those to my Shopify store in September as well. So yeah, let me know if you like this video. Let me know what you would like to see me make. I don't know, and just say hi. That works too. Be like, so yeah, this is everything that I did today, and I gotta say, I feel like it was pretty productive. Oh yeah, I did stitch markers too. Where are my stitch markers? They're not here. There'll be a whole other video with stitch markers, don't worry. But yeah, yay!